Welcome to Storytime Kids Craft instruction video. Today we are going to make rocking snails. I'm Vonnie and I get to go through this video with you today. What you'll need is your kit from the public library, some white glue of some kind. I have Elmer's, but any white glue would work well, and a marker of some kind. Let's take our package apart and get started. In your package, there should be a green paper plate, a small white paper plate, a bag of Poms, a pair of wiggle eyes, and a green pipe cleaner. Let's start with our white paper plate. And our Poms. You want to open your glue. We want to put a spiral of glue that goes all the way around our plate here. And you want it to look, I don't know if you can see this, you want it to look something like that, so that our pom-poms will be in a big circle. Next, you want to stick your Poms in that glue. Careful, the glue can be really messy. Make sure they get set down in there really well. And you just want to continue around until you finish all of the glue markings. I'll go ahead and stop the video here. When you've got all of your Poms stuck to your glue, start the video again. Welcome back. When you've completed your spiral, it should look something like this. Okay, our next step, you may want to let this set off and let it dry. Our next step, we want to take our green plate, we want to fold it in half. Where we get our rocking snail from. Okay. Now you may want somebody big to help you do this part. We want to take our pipe cleaner and poke 2 holes in our green plate for his eyes. If you have a pair of scissors, carefully poke 2 little holes. There's one. Okay, there's our 2 little holes. Okay. Carefully thread your pipe cleaner up through those holes. They're even on this side, that's good. That's as his eyes are gonna be. Okay. Carefully curl those around. Kind of make a place for his eyes to stick. Okay. These should be self-adhesive eyes, but they may need to be glued. Stick one on each one of his little antennae there. Okay. You can add a smiley face to him if you'd like to. That's totally up to you. That would be what the marker would be for. Okay, now carefully take your already fixed snail plate. And see where, line it up where you think you want it to be on your green plate. Okay. Apply glue to the back of your plate. And go ahead and stick this you're going to want to let dry. After that's good and dry, be able to have a rocking snail. Good job. You've created a rocking snail. Some of the books we have at the Independence Public Library about snails are Snail Crossing by Corey R. Tabor, The Story of Fish and Snail by Deborah Friedman, Snail and Slug by Dennis Gazette, and nonfiction, Snails Are Gross by Leah Rockwood. Come join us at the library soon. Thank you.